Eh. What do you think, McCube? It's very hot.
What a lovely hot day.
Pepper and George are wearing their boots.
I can't wait to jump in puddle.
I love muddy puddles.
Oh!
Oh dear, the sun is so hot that the puddles have dried up.
I see.
Daddy, the puddles are all dry and we can't jump in them. Never mind, Pepper. It's so sunny, you can play in the paddling pool instead. Yes, the paddling pool. First, you have to change into your swimming costumes.
I agree.
Yes,
Well,
Pepper and George are wearing their swimming costumes. Mummy Pig is wearing her swimming costume. And Daddy Pig is wearing his swimming costume.
because it's so hot, you need sun cream. So oily and yucky.
I don't get it.
What a fuss about nothing.
Yes, we all need sun cream today.
Oh.
I don't get it.
Come on, George. Let's get some air into this paddling pool.
Daddy Pig is pumping up the paddling pool.
Easy as pie.
Cool.
Pepper holds the hose. And Mummy Pig turns on the water.
Where's the water?
It's probably... Okay, that's enough. Filling up the pool. What could get next? Miss Rabbit, the ice cream lady. You know her?
On very hot days, Miss Rabbit sells ice cream.
Can we go get some ice cream?
Can George and I have an ice cream, please? Oh, well, I suppose it is an especially hot day. Hooray!
Please, can I have one as well?
Don't forget us.
Everyone likes ice cream.
Hello, Mummy Pig, Pepper and George.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
What ice creams would you like?
Can I have a cone, please, Miss Rabbit?
Of course you may, Pepper.
Thank you. The same for me.
Don't forget us. Can I get some chocolate?
And what would young Mr. George like?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Silly George.
He always says dinosaurs for everything.
Well, it just so happens that I do have a dinosaur-shaped ice lolly.
Dinosaur.
George,
You should eat your ice cream before it melts.
Dinosaur.
George loves his dinosaur ice lolly so much he doesn't want to eat it.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Enjoy the weather.
Seriously, George. Maybe you should eat your ice cream before it melts and...
Melts and falls on the ground.
Oh dear, George's dinosaur ice lolly has melted.
Don't cry.
Never mind, George. You can share Daddy's ice cream. I'm sure he won't mind.
Oh well.
It is so warm, Daddy Pig has fallen asleep.
Daddy Pig does look hot. Let's do water on Daddy to cool him down.
Let's prank him.
Pepper,
What happened?
you were all red and hot, Daddy Pig. So we took water on you.
I don't get it.
I see. Thank you, Pepper.
Ooh, the models are pretty...
Puddles are back. Quick, George, let's get our boots.
Boing, 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 boing. I love jumping down the muddy puddles.
Wearing their boots. Pepper and George love a hot day, but most of all, they love jumping up and down in puddles.